Come on, man. He's going down.
He's done. Oh, there he goes.
He's done. Not a great start, but keep your eyes up, right? Tons of birds out here. Out this way. Oh, wasn't the prettiest shooting, but he came out here and died. Nice drake widgeon. That's a good start. Stone dead out here. No water swat needed. Nice bird. Good start. Let's get a few more. Nice wings on him. Two right there. Are they going? Yeah. Got him, baby. That was a good shot. There we go. That's more like it. Whew. There he is, guys. Full sprig. Whew. He's a mess. Got my pintail for the day. Got the sprig.
Nice. Two stud birds, man.
Yeah, not a bad start.
I probably shouldn't even shot. They were banking away from me.
That's alright. Go, Bri, go, go, go. Got it.
Did you really? Oh my gosh, dude. That's incredible.
Stone dead too. Ooh, nice widgeon again. Got him as he was going out. Beautiful bird. Get back in the blind. Beautiful widgeon.
He's back. I need to shoot something, man.
Got him. We each got one. That's better. That's better. There he is. Small drake widgeon.
You got another widgeon?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
What'd you get?
Spoony.
Spoony? You didn't see the widgeons in there?
Huh?
You didn't see the widgeons in there?
I was shooting whatever was the closest and lowest to me.
Drake Buffy.
Nice.
Killed something. Drake Buffy.
That's a nice one, man.
He sure is pretty.
Hold that head in the sun, man. That's cool.
There. Kill it, Brian. Kill it. Nice shot, buddy. Oh wait, stop. Two more coming. Two more coming. Oh, they're going.
They're going.
They're going. All right.
Same thing as last time. It's almost like identical. Granny spoon.
Alrighty, y'all, that was the end of that duck hunt. It was a quick one this morning, and we managed to get, what was it, 8 birds? Was it 8 birds? Yeah. 8 birds, and I got some widgeon, pintail, a couple divers, some shovelers, the usual. So that was the last Saturday. We are on our way to end it with a bang and finish strong here for Sunday, and that's where we're headed now. But had a great time hunting out there today.